Stop! Police puzzle alert. Can you catch all the changes in 30 seconds? We're in a crime scene room. A police officer is standing with a flashlight. A police dog is nearby. But the bottom image has some sneaky differences. First, look at the police dog's vest. Is it still blue, or did it turn green? Now check the floor. Do you see marker number 3 in both pictures? Look beside the table. Was there always a chair there? Next, focus on the shelf. Are there framed pictures, or something else now? Check the cup on the floor. Did its color change? And finally, look at the officer's flashlight. Notice the light color carefully. Take your time. This sharpens your focus and attention to detail. Comment below how many differences you spotted. Did you find all 6?
Stop scrolling. This study room puzzle is trickier than it looks. A boy is sitting at his desk doing homework. Everything seems normal, but the bottom picture has some sneaky changes. Let's look carefully, like smart detectives. First, check the wall clock. Look closely at the time. Is it showing the same in both pictures? Now move to the cat. Notice its fur color. Does it stay the same or change in the bottom image? Next, look at the book in front of the boy. Focus on its color. Is it still green, or something different now? Good. Keep going. Look at the school bag on the floor. Check the zipper. Is it closed in both pictures? Now glance at the cup on the table. Did its color change? Last hint. Look at the boy's hand. Is he still holding the pencil while studying? Take your time. These puzzles help improve focus and attention to tiny details. Comment below how many differences you spotted. Did you find them all before time ran out?
Stop right there. Can you spot all the tricky changes in this busy kitchen scene? We're in a colorful kitchen. A mom is cooking at the counter. But the bottom image has some sneaky differences hiding around. First, look at the mom's apron. Did the color stay the same or change? Next, check the pot on the counter. Is the inside color the same as before, or something different? Now, glance at the vegetables. Is that cucumber still there, or did it disappear? Look at the fruit bowl. Did it stay white, or did it turn purple? Focus on the child. Check his shirt carefully. Is it the same color as in the top picture? Take a quick look at the cup and the wall clock. And don't forget the items below the clock. Anything new there? Games like this train your focus and boost your attention to tiny details. Comment below how many differences you spotted. Did you catch them all before time ran out?
Wait, this kitchen scene just changed. Can you spot how? Mom is cooking at the stove. A child is sitting on a chair near the table. But the bottom picture is not exactly the same. First, look at the table. Is the fruit basket still there? Check carefully. Now look at the child's chair. Notice the color. Is it still blue? Good. Shift your eyes to the spice shelf. Count the jars. Is one missing? Next, check the refrigerator door. Is it closed in both pictures? Look at mom's apron. Did the color change? And finally, look at her hand. Is she still holding the cooking spoon? Take your time. This is great practice for focus and attention to detail. Comment below how many differences you spotted.